Just want to do a quick trade recap here as I was away from my desk this morning and I was unable to record it live. But I just want to quickly run through the thesis for the trade and the execution. So we can see that price traded down here during the Asia session, and we've got a market maker buy model. So we can see that the market makers are bringing price down to take advantage of running it through the buy side liquidity, and we've been on a higher time frame bullish delivery, buy side delivery. So we can see the market maker buy model here as we're coming down and hanging out in this area, as well as the institutional order flow entry drill. So they're bringing price in here once, bringing it in again, bringing it in one more time, and then running the buy side liquidity. So what I was using here, aside from those, was yesterday's PM first presented fair value gap here. So the first fair value gap after 1:30 p.m. as well as this order block here. So this or not order block, but fair value gap. So this was the first fair value gap in this price delivery, and we came back down to visit it. So when we came in the first time, I took an entry. I had to reset here, so these kind of offset, but I had to re-enter here. So got one contract here. I wanted to see if we would wick back through, but we just mohawked here. So I waited a little bit, and we came in again. So I took an additional entry, and then on this last wick through it, I took one more. And seeking these relative equal highs, so as price traded higher, just before we got to these relative equal highs, I took the first contract off. And right here, I took one more contract off, and that's because CPI was coming up, and I do not trade CPI, FOMC, PPI, any of those red or orange folder events. I don't take trades into that. It's just very unsafe, so I don't do that. So I deleveraged here and took this last bit of, or second to last bit of risk off, and left one more contract on, still seeking to get through these here. And Mr. G, shout out Mr. Galactic, pointed out that we wicked higher. I think this is about a half hour before the CPI data at 8:30. So you could see that we already had relative equal highs here, but we created one more relative equal high. So it makes a lot of sense for price to want to run through here. We did get that once CPI was released at 8:30. We ran right through these three here. And what I was looking for a higher time frame was 22.042, and we ran right through that as well. So once I was able to look at my position, I took off the last contract, and that was that for the trade. So just a little quick recap for you guys again, because I couldn't record live. Thanks for being here. As always, good luck, good trading, be safe.